In June of 1987, York Pontiac Oldsmobile GMC was born. Bob York, alongside his two sons, Nick and Rob, acquired his first automotive dealership. The dealership, still located in Greencastle, has grown to be a pillar of the community. Bob York, born and raised in Greencastle, said his dream was to own a car dealership in his hometown. "We want to make the dealership a personal kind of place," Bob York said. "We will have an experienced, capable, and professional sales staff and service department." That standard of care still holds true today. "We're not number one, you are," has been not only a slogan, but a way of life for York Automotive ever since. Every day, every transaction. 37 years later, we still strive to be Putnam County's source for new, used, parts, repairs, or body shop. Customer satisfaction is our highest priority, has been since 1987, right in your own backyard of Greencastle. York Chevrolet Buick GMC in Greencastle, where we're not number one, you are.